Bro, why the fuck are you watching my videos, bitch? You fucking virgin. If I can find your comment, bro, I'll tag you in. You fucking bitch ass virgin. English, bitch. Speak it, boy. Spit it out, boy. Immigrated out fucking Chinese fucking knockoff girl. Fuck you, fucking. Keep watching my videos. Keep paying me, bitch. They are shit. Yeah. If you go on, just trust me, just save up, buy a better one, because they are dog shit. Yeah.
Production.
Welcome back to the fucking driving channel. Oh, don't cross the road now, bitch. I'll mow you down. Yo, dog's fighting back, bro. Dog don't. Bitch. Right, welcome. Oh, welcome. Fucking welcome, mate. What's this video here? It's another driving one, but when I'm driving, I can never fucking concentrate. So please, just bear with me, bro. Cause man's just out here, yeah. What the fuck's going on now? Shit's house on there. Saying, yo. Oh yeah, this is a video about me. All the mods in my car, because I made a video. Latest video. English bitch. Oh yeah, I'm trying. Please, just give me a chance. English bitch. Speak it, boy. Spit it out, boy. I made a video. My previous video was all the mods on my car, and now it got to me thinking that how much have I spent on this damn car? How much have I spent the smackaroonies on this car? And I was like, what? Hopefully not a lot. Oh, let's go this way. Hopefully not a lot. And then see, this is what I mean, bro. These driving videos, bro. My dyslexic ass can't fucking multitask on there. But look, I just get distracted, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, it got me thinking that I was like, how much have I actually spent on this fucking car? Because I bought this car for £2,500, and I've spent. I know how much I was because I've added it all up. But I was like, what the fuck? How much? Right. So let's talk about the first ever mod on this car. Is there a speed camera for 30 or 40? Bro, I don't know, go 30. Bastard speed camera. The first ever mod on this car was number plate lights. Number plate lights I did, and then they cost 14 smackaroos. What? £14 they cost. See, I've got a list right here. Now bear with me because I'm fucking dyslexic, so I'm gonna read all these out, yeah. I'm gonna try fucking multitasking here. And I'll show you, I don't know, I'll like pan some shit, bro. I don't fucking care, bro. Fucking getting paid. Just a fucking talk, mate. Yo, football on there. Right, bear with me here because it's a long list and you think I'm fucking memorize this? I'm gonna memorize it. Fuck, I'm making a video. Fucking jakes, you know. Second mod. Interior lights. What have I got in the back of this? Fucking jigs. Interior lights, which cost £12. Oh, let me just get fucking £12 and 95p. Second mod, that one. If you're paying attention. And then the third mod was, now this is where it goes off track because these ain't in order no more. Now the third thing, I just got these heko wind deflectors, which cost £27 and 39 pence, yeah. Then I got back struts for this. Could you call that a mod? But fucking yeah, this video ain't about maintenance. It's nothing maintenance. This is all just mods. And back struts, is that maintenance? Or is that a mod? Well, it's a mod because I can't fucking open the boot. Am I gonna get fag ends? Yes, it's a mod, and that cost £16 and 79 pence. That did. And then back struts. Oh, tail, man. What the fuck is this wrong? Yo, go for man. Right, bear with me here, folks. Right, I should put this like there, innit? I need something to hang, bro, because yo, bro, I am fucking. I'm trying to read, drive, and then talk at the same time. And man is dyslexic. I can't do this. Well, bear with me 1 minute. I'm gonna try fucking put this somewhere. Like a fucking fuck off. Right. Hopefully that stays there. Hopefully anyway. Which way am I going? Shit, I lost it. Well, I talked about back struts in it. Yes, back struts, which was 1679, right? Then then the next mod is the Sequential Light. Now these are a fucking mod that you should have, because these transform these shit lights here into something just like so much better. Oh, this thing's just getting in the way of the gears, isn't it? Fucking hell. Which cost £40 and 18 pence. Now these, you need these, man. These are just like, I mean, for £40, fucking hell, it's a very good mod. Yeah, just go get it. Then the next, I've got it here. Just mind me looking down here. I've got nothing. The perfect one would have been there, because then I'd be like, yeah, I'm talking to you, but I'm not really talking to you. But then the reflection from the glasses would be like, yeah, I can see the fucking thing. So it's a bit of a broken system there, isn't it? Yeah, it is. For the jinxing. Right, bear with me here. Going on a fucking bum. Fuck me, bro. I cannot read and drive at this. Trying to do this. Oh, this is a fucking shamble. This is. Right. I was at the Sequential Lights, wasn't I? Focus on the, please. These people just want to know. Okay. £40 and 18 pence. Yeah, that was. And then the next one was a pricey one, the rare LEDs. The Golf R LEDs at the back. Now these you need as well, because the fucking stock ones are ball sack and a half. They are shit. Yeah. If you go on, just trust me, just save up, buy a better one, because they are dog shit. Yeah. Shit. They are. Shit. Not as shit as the front. Oh fuck, the front ones. Front headlights on these. The stock ones. Shambles. But the back ones, they cost £219 and 99 pence. Then what we have, I'm gonna do this bill because I swear I'll just leave it there. 219, and then we got stainless tips, which I don't no longer have, but they cost £14 and 99 pence. I've made a video on them. They're the cheap one. To be honest, they are good, because the ones that are already on it, they're just like some shitty brown ones. Just like, what the fuck is this? It's better, yeah. If you can't afford the back box, just get the stainless steel, because they at least look good, and they only cost $14.99. Beautiful that was. Then I think this was the cheapest one. Wiper delete for £6.50. That was the cheapest mod. That £6.50 for that. I came up eBay. Pretty fucking cheap that. Surprised. Hear that then. Bastard exhaust. And then I got Golf R centre caps, which cost £9.85. Fucking hell, centre caps cost more than a wiper delete. So then wiper delete. Then no centre caps for £9.85. Then the best mod you can get on this car, I swear to God, these fucking Golf R headlights at the front transform this car. The headlights that you come with this, fuck them. They are shit. Even the GTI, they are fucking shit compared to these. These Golf R's transform this whole fucking car. It looks so bad from the front. If I had a Golf R fucking bumper at the front with these, like, oh my gosh, it looks so sick. But the thing is, I don't think I'll buy a Golf R bumper. It'd be too much. Then I have to spray it and everything. And oh, fuck that. Can't be bothered. But seriously, them lights, you need them, man. £365 that cost. That is the most expensive thing on this whole thing. £365. It even costs more than the remap. Fucking hell, it costs more than remap, bro. That is the most expensive mod on this car, that fucking headlights. And they are worth it, because they are so good. Less voltage, everything. Sick. I've still got the warning light on it. I changed them lights about a year ago, and I still got that warning light on it. I still haven't coded it out. I don't have a fucking coder or nothing. Shit on there. Right, focus here, focus, low traffic. Right, let me just focus here. Hold on. What's this fucking ambulance doing, bro? Fucking dumb fuck. Focus. Where am I? 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 360. Oh, there we go. Then diffuser. Diffuser I got for £64.99. The diffuser is a subtle one. It don't stick out like the. If you watch that video, you'd see the GTI one, and that has bigger like things coming down on it. My one, it's just a subtle one. It's nice, you can show it's there, but it doesn't stick out that much. So it's just like a subtle one for £64.99. Then the next one is the steering wheel with the dials, because my steering wheel didn't have the dials. So that cost £245 with the airbag. This leather steering wheel. I've made a video about it. And then steering wheel module, £48.99 I got. That is to make sure my buttons work on my thingy, because I had to change that. It wouldn't just go on. Yeah, just fucking watch the video and it fuck's sake. Shit, I was all night. Wait, did I tell you how much that was? £48.99. Yeah. Then I got a head unit for £203.99. That one there, extra. Still lasting long as well. I get comments saying, is it worth still buying? Mate, it's still working. Everything works on it. Working perfectly fine. Okay. Next one. I'm trying to focus here. I'm trying to look here. Look at the road. And then trying to find where the fuck I am. Oh yeah, I'm stopping here. I can refresh where I am. Actually, I should just bend it, innit? So I've said that. And I've only got 3 more left. Porsche Panamera Turbo. Bad boy that. Next one is a K&N filter for £189.39, which is that noise you hearing, yeah? Then I got a back box for £150, which you can fucking hear it. But it is touching the subframe. Check, see that now? It just fucking wobble. Well, it's a minor, be alright. 150, and then I got a blow-off valve for £67.40. Fuck, I ain't waiting for these lights. Dance! Hear that then, bro? Say no more. K&N coming through. Blow-off valve, 67.40. If you do buy a blow-off valve, if you're gonna get it mapped, take the blow-off valve off. You'll get more power out of it. I had my blow-off valve on when I went to remap my car, and the guy was telling me that, have you got the old bolts, just so we can take the blow-off valve off and thingy. I didn't have them bolts, so I had to map it with the blow-off valve off on, and you don't gain as much power, because all it's doing is just fucking leaking the fucking turbo fucking gases out of there, bro. But I took mine off anyway. But it's still a mod. If you're not gonna map your car and you just need that, and you ain't got a back box, get a blow-off valve, because it'll sound well better. So next one we have is £129. What's that? Oh, splitter, front splitter. Oh mate, transform this car. Car is so much better now with that splitter. £129 that cost, which is bang on. It is, I swear to God. I got far on there. Then I got a remap for £300. £300 I got that remap for, which is mental, because the fucking, that means I thought the fucking headlights was, no, the remap was going to be the most expensive thing, £300. But then when I looked at the sheet, bro, I was like, fucking £365 for the lights. So the remap's the second fucking most expensive thing. But you need the remap, bro. This car is a fucking snail. Actually, I'll go straight. This car is a snail without the remap. And then when you when you add all that up, it adds up to £2,126.40. What the fuck? Where the fuck's that money gone? Let me just say it again, because I know you people can't fathom what the fuck I just said. I bought this car for £2,500. I have put £2,126.40 back onto the fucking car. That's not maintenance. To be honest, I've nearly had this car for 2 years. Ain't fuck all gone wrong with it. I just needed a timing chain. and that's only because I was getting a remap. And I've heard stories that if you don't get your timing chain done and you go for a remap, maybe the timing chain is just snap. So that's why I got my timing chain. It's still alright. And then I got brakes, which are just fucking wear and tear in it. And then what else I get? Yeah, front shocks, back shocks, fuel filter, spark plugs, doing them all myself, and just fucking basic maintenance. Nothing's gone wrong with this car. Bro, these fucking faggot virgins just like, oh yeah, this is a... Man, I see some comment, bro. I think he's commented on like 2 fucking videos, and he said the same thing. It's like, don't get this car, it's a ticking time bomb. Bro, why the fuck are you watching my videos, bitch? You fucking virgin. If I can find your comment, bro, I'll tag you in. You fucking bitch ass virgin. Bro, I've had this car for nearly 2 years, ain't fuck all gone wrong with it. I don't know what the fuck you driving, bitch. So I'm fucking immigrated out fucking Chinese fucking knockoff Golf. Fuck you, fucking. Keep watching my videos. Keep paying me, bitch. See if I can. So yeah, that's it. Fucking, that is mental. When I looked at that, I was like, what the fuck, bro? Have I spent that much? What the fuck have I spent that much? Mental. Fuck the Jakes, yo. Yo, man's just out there, innit? Hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye bye.